So you might be in this weird situation where for some reason your specific AirPods noise cancellation is just not working. Now, this can happen for a lot of different reasons. It's never just one reason why this kind of stuff doesn't end up happening. The very first thing I'd recommend doing though is making sure that your particular AirPods even support noise cancellation. Now, my AirPod 2s that I have here do not support any sort of noise cancellation. So it doesn't really matter what I do. My noise cancellation is just not going to work on my AirPods because I basically do not have noise cancellation supported. On AirPods Max, AirPods Pros, and I think the AirPods 3s do support some sort of noise cancellation or transparency mode or something. These ones do not. So make sure they do support noise cancellation. That's the first thing I'd recommend doing. Now, the next thing I'd recommend doing is also making sure that your particular AirPods have the noise cancellation feature enabled. So you can do this by swiping down from the control center in the top right corner to get into this page. Now, what you want to do here is you want to hold down on that sound icon, and you should be able to see some options come up at the very bottom. You should be able to see things like either noise cancellation or transparency mode or something like that. You want to go ahead and tap onto that noise cancellation feature, and that should also enable you to go ahead and basically have noise cancellation turned on. Now, you can also do this within your settings application. So you can come straight into your settings. You can scroll down until you see your AirPods. So in this case, I don't even see them. I will probably have to repair them. So I'll go and put them in like this. Okay, great. So I can go inside of my AirPod settings right here, and you should be able to find that noise cancellation feature right here as well. So that's another option to basically just go through and just basically find that noise cancellation feature. Now, on top of that, if that doesn't work, you may want to try seeing if for some reason you can try repairing your AirPods to your iPhone or Android. So just go through, put your AirPods into reset mode by holding down the button on the back of the AirPods, and just like right here, holding that down and then repairing them via your AirPods that way. That is an option that you have as well. If for some reason that doesn't work, you can also try going through and basically restarting your iPhone and updating your iPhone. But those are pretty much the main ways to go and fix this problem. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.